When you think of space, you might imagine a silent void. But did you know that NASA has actually captured eerie sounds from different parts of our solar system? Using special instruments on its spacecraft, NASA has recorded electromagnetic waves and vibrations emitted by celestial bodies and converted them into audible sounds. Close your eyes and let the mysterious symphony of the universe take you on a journey through space. The Sun Sound. Sound of Saturn. Sound of Jupiter. Sound of Earth. These sounds are unbelievable and a bit eerie. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe and support us for more space discoveries.